Yo, what's up guys? It's Jesse. Jesse's Garage. We got NA engine, we're turbo swapping there. 5-speed transmission, we're gonna swap in there. A whole bunch of parts. A boat anchor of a twin turbo 300ZX BG30 TT, blown up turbos. We're scavenging it for parts. Here's the beautiful 240SX. Here's our new garage in Florida. Max speeding rods, coilovers are on this car right here, 300ZX. And that's what we're doing. We're gonna run around. And we're taking 300ZX. Guess what? I'm taking you guys with me. Let's go. All right, guys, we're in the beautiful 300ZX. Maybe when we drive around, I've got this windscreen. See if it sounds better or not. Gauge cluster still not working, but I have a new gauge cluster. I'm ordering a couple other parts just to make it that much cooler when we put it in. Some light bulbs, some LED light bulbs on the gauge cluster to brighten it up. So bring the Hula Girl. This was in the truck. My brother got this kind of for me. We got that at like the thrift store for like 99 cents or something crazy. What's up, Claire?
What's up?
What's up, YouTube? Oh yeah, this is the new shirt. Bam. But if you see me out and about or see this car, holler at me and I'll hook you up with a sticker as long as I have some. I usually try to keep them on me. All right, enough talking. Let's go. Look, I'm sweating, dude. Oh my gosh. All right, let's roll.
Yeah. Different in the building. Sister in the building. Pour out the bubbles, we holding our liquor down. If it's a problem, I'll go to the bar and I shut it down. Get out my section, don't bother with lames. I'm watching these bunnies bounce. Shorty, your 10, a rubber band. Come on for the 100 pound. Holler the talk, but don't run them out. I'm trying to be out. All I really wanna know, when we leaving, all I really need to know is when we leaving, all I really wanna know. When we leaving, all I really need to know is when we leaving.
Are you ready to go to the beach?
Yeah, the date of
What do you got? What toys are those? Sand toys. What's all this stuff? Umbrella. Oh my gosh, we gotta carry all this stuff. That's the thing that sucks.
I got.
Oh yeah, super secret surprise I got for Claire, but she already knows about it. Let's get to the beach so she can play with it. First, gotta carry all this stuff.
That.
All right, we're gonna go to the beach. Claire, do you wanna hold the camera for me? Look at all this stuff I got. Oh my gosh. 2 chairs, a couple blankets, umbrella.
I don't know.
Okay.
My hands are full.
I'm so excited. I love the beach.
Me too. What is my favorite now?
Hopefully we get a little bit better sound. Oh, I can see it. It's so beautiful. Blue and green. Oh my gosh. There you go. There you go. Oh, it's too easy. Alright, Claire needed, what did you need, Claire?
This one.
Oh, a super secret surprise, I got her. Alright, what are we going to do? Fill this thing up? We're going to fill this bucket up?
Let's do a dolphin real quick.
Yeah, we'll do a dolphin. And let's do the shovel. Your hole's gone, Claire.
What?
Look at your hole now. This water feels so good, actually. Alright, Claire's digging. Dig away, baby.
Oh my god, my feet.
Oh my gosh.
Got a lot of sand on it. Like.
Hey, stop saying that. Alright, well here, this is why this car is awesome. This is, you can pack all your beach stuff in the back of your 300ZX. What was it, Claire?
Good.
You know how to do it?
Yeah.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. No, you don't. There. All the way up. There you go.
Pull it up.
2+2Z is the family car. We go to the beach. Claire's in the back. Doesn't fit a baby though. Oh, I should have put that stuff in back. All right, Claire, was it a successful day at the beach?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Should we do something else? I think I want to check out this ice cream place. You want to try and get some ice cream?
Yeah, my favorite.
All right, let's go.
I'll get cotton candy. Crazy cotton candy.
Crazy cotton candy ice cream.
Yeah. I love fun. What time did they have crazy cotton candy? So I'm gonna have it this time and try it out.
We're gonna try this new place. All right, we're at the ice cream place.
So easy.
It's like right next to the beach, huh?
Uh-huh. Go in.
All right, let's check this place out. We've never been here before. That was good. Hello, how are you?
How's it going?
We're great. We want some ice cream.
Awesome.
Do you have crazy cotton candy? She has to know.
No, but we do have Cookie Monster, which is blue, and it has like cookie dough and it's like cookies and cream and cookie dough combined, but it's blue.
All right. What do you want? Look at all those ice creams.
I think that's blue.
You want blue?
Yeah.
Perfect. You want the blue one? All right, she's gonna do blue.
Are we getting sprinkles?
Of course. You want sprinkles?
We have rainbow and chocolate.
You want rainbow sprinkles? Yeah, some rainbow sprinkles. Super sprinkle, look at that.
There you are.
Awesome.
Anything else I can get for you?
Yeah, Dad needs, I'm gonna do that, that Kahlua
Kahlua?
almond fudge guy thing. So I want a cone though, just a waffle cone is fine.
Sure. We also have sugar and cake over here.
Nah,
So,
waffle cone would be
waffle?
great. Yeah.
So Kahlua, 1 scoop or 2?
Oh, we'll do 2 scoops.
2 scoops?
How is it? Will you get blue? Can I have a bite, please?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet. I can try it. Here, let's let everybody on watching try. All right, you guys ready? There you go. Now it's Dad's turn. Oh my goodness. That's actually really good. I'm gonna have another second bite. Man, that's pretty good. Absolutely. Thumbs up. Maybe we could tell Mom to take us out for ice cream tonight. And not tell her. Alright, let's enjoy this ice cream. We got the perfect parking spot. Boom.
Easy peasy.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get a little bit of footage. Come here, baby.